Hi guys, it's Player Kid here, and when I say Player Kid, I don't mean that I am always playing video games and now we're fishing. Now I'm fishing. Yeah, this is one of, this is like the throw number 50, 50, and psych. This is not going very well. But hey, please like the video so we can get good luck in this little trip, and we're gonna make more videos in today's fishing, so like and subscribe. And I say this is not going very well. Like and subscribe.